This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Series 8 to an Android phone. Unfortunately, a direct connection between an Apple Watch and an Android phone is not officially supported. Apple designs its watches to work exclusively within its own ecosystem, specifically with iPhones. This means you cannot pair your Apple Watch Series 8 directly with an Android device for full functionality, such as receiving notifications or making calls. We'll explore why this is the case and what your options are. The primary reason a direct connection fails is that Apple's Watch OS, the operating system for the Apple Watch, is built to integrate seamlessly with iOS. When you first set up an Apple Watch, it requires an iPhone to complete the pairing process and activate all its features. Android phones simply do not possess the proprietary software and hardware protocols needed to establish this connection, making it impossible to utilize the watch's full capabilities outside of the Apple ecosystem. While an Apple Watch Series 8 cannot fully connect to an Android phone, it can perform some very limited functions independently after its initial setup with an iPhone. For example, it can tell time and track basic fitness metrics like steps. However, for a rich smartwatch experience that fully integrates with your Android device, you should explore alternatives such as smartwatches running Google's Wear OS or Samsung Galaxy Watch models, which are designed for Android compatibility. In summary, while the Apple Watch Series 8 is a fantastic device, its design and functionality are intrinsically tied to the Apple iPhone ecosystem. A direct, fully functional connection with an Android phone is simply not possible due to proprietary software and hardware requirements. If you're an Android user looking for a smartwatch, your best option is to choose a device specifically designed to integrate with Android, ensuring you get the most out of your wearable technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.